In digital marketing, your website is your storefront. You need high converting landing pages to turn visitors into customers. Visit Codecraftcafe to master high converting landing pages today. Before designing your landing page, understand your audience. Create buyer personas to outline their demographics, interests, and challenges. Tailor your messaging and design to appeal directly to them. Use language that resonates with their needs and addresses their pain points. Personalizing the experience creates a stronger connection and increases conversion chances. Understand your audience, and your landing pages will be more effective. Your headline is your first impression. It grabs attention and entices visitors to learn more. A strong headline is clear, concise, and communicates the core value proposition. Avoid generic statements. Use strong verbs and specific benefits. Your headline is your chance to make a positive impression. Invest time to craft a headline that grabs attention and communicates value. Creating a compelling headline is both an art and a science. Keep it concise and highlight the benefit. Use strong verbs and incorporate numbers. Create a sense of urgency with phrases like limited time offer. Test different variations to see what resonates best. Craft headlines that capture attention and drive conversions. The body copy of your landing page does the heavy lifting of persuasion. Understand your audience's needs and desires. Avoid technical jargon. Keep your language clear and concise. Use bullet points and subheadings to make the text visually appealing. Highlight benefits and address pain points. Guide visitors towards taking the desired action. Focus on benefits instead of features. Customers buy solutions, not features. Translate features into tangible benefits that resonate with your audience. Highlight how your product improves their lives. Create an emotional connection by offering solutions to their problems. This approach is more persuasive and likely to result in higher conversion rates. Your call to action, CTA, is crucial. Use clear, action-oriented language that creates urgency. Design and placement are important. Make your CTA button stand out. Place your CTA above the fold for visibility. A strong CTA significantly increases conversion likelihood. Craft a CTA that is clear, compelling, and visually prominent. Crafting a high-converting CTA involves understanding your audience. Highlight the value proposition and create urgency. Use personal language to speak directly to visitors. Test different variations to see what works best. Your CTA is crucial for conversion rates. Invest time to craft CTAs that are clear, compelling, and tailored to your audience. Trust is paramount in the online world. Incorporate trust elements to reassure visitors. Showcase your expertise and authority with credentials and awards. Display clear contact information and a physical address. A well-written FAQ section can address common queries. Consistently deliver on promises to build long-term trust and loyalty. Social proof is powerful for landing page optimization. Showcase positive experiences from previous customers. Use specific, relatable testimonials with headshots. Case studies provide concrete evidence of your capabilities. Leverage social media presence with positive reviews and engagement. Social proof increases trust and encourages conversions. Ensure your landing page is optimized for mobile. A mobile responsive design adapts to different screen sizes. Mobile users expect fast loading times and concise content. Buttons and navigation should be touch-friendly. Prioritizing mobile optimization leads to increased engagement. A seamless mobile experience results in higher conversions. Pay attention to key elements for a seamless mobile experience. Ensure fast page speed by compressing images and minimizing redirects. Keep navigation simple and intuitive. Ensure text is readable and forms are simplified. Make your CTA button easy to tap with a thumb. Implementing these practices leads to a positive user experience and higher conversions. In a world saturated with information, visuals convey complex ideas and capture attention more effectively than text. Visuals on landing pages are strategic assets that enhance engagement and drive conversions. Are you more likely to linger on a page with compelling images or a wall of text? Most people process visual information faster than text. High-quality visuals make landing pages more appealing and memorable. A well-chosen image or video conveys your brand personality and creates an emotional connection. The type and quality of visuals you choose can make all the difference. Relevance is key. Every visual should serve a purpose and be relevant to your offer. Avoid generic stock photos. High-quality images are essential. Invest in sharp, well-lit, professional images. Use authentic images with real people and scenarios. Videos can be powerful for showcasing your product or service. Your visuals should complement your copy and tell a cohesive story. Forms are often the final hurdle between a visitor and a conversion. They represent the point where passive interest needs to transform into active engagement. However, forms can also be a significant source of friction. Simplifying your forms is crucial for maximizing conversions. The goal is to make the conversion process as seamless and frictionless as possible. By asking only for the information you absolutely need, you increase the likelihood of completion. The psychology behind form optimization delves into understanding how users perceive and interact with forms. It's about anticipating their concerns and designing forms that feel intuitive and non-intrusive. Information privacy is paramount. Clearly communicate your privacy policy. Users are more likely to provide information if they perceive value in return. Progress indicators can help manage user expectations. Minimize frustration with clear error messages and input validation. This leads to a more positive user experience and higher conversion rates. In digital marketing, intuition can only take you so far. Embrace a data-driven approach to optimize your landing pages. Analytics tools provide invaluable insights. They reveal what's working and where there's room for improvement. Think of analytics as your digital compass. Track key metrics to understand user behavior. Are visitors clicking on your CTA? Are they dropping off at a particular point? Are they spending enough time on the page? Analytics provide answers to these questions. A data-driven approach eliminates guesswork. Base your decisions on real-time data. Continuously iterate and refine for optimal performance. extract actionable insights to drive more conversions. When it comes to landing page analytics, track these key metrics for optimization. Conversion rate measures the percentage of visitors completing the desired action. Bounce rate shows the percentage of visitors leaving after one page. Time on page indicates how long visitors stay on your page. Click-through rate, CTR, measures the percentage of visitors clicking on a specific link. Form abandonment rate tracks visitors who start but don't complete your form. Monitor these metrics to optimize your landing pages and improve conversion rates. Creating high-converting landing pages is a journey of continuous learning, testing, and optimization. It's about understanding your audience, their needs, and what motivates them to take action. By applying the principles and strategies outlined in this guide, you'll be well equipped to transform your landing pages from passive web pages into powerful conversion machines. Remember, a successful landing page is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. It's about finding the right combination of elements that resonate with your specific target audience and drive the desired results. What works for one business might not work for another, so it's crucial to experiment, track your results, and be willing to adapt your approach based on real-time data. As you embark on your landing page optimization journey, keep in mind that even small changes can have a significant impact. A slight tweak to your headline, a more compelling CTA, or a simplified form can make all the difference in converting a visitor into a customer. The key is to approach the process with a data-driven mindset, constantly seeking ways to improve and enhance the user experience. By embracing this philosophy of continuous improvement, you'll be well on your way to creating landing pages that not only capture attention, but also drive meaningful results for your business. Your landing pages are often the first point of contact between your brand and potential customers. They are digital gateways to your products, services, and ultimately your business success. By investing the time and effort to optimize your landing pages, you're not just improving your conversion rates, you're unlocking the full potential of your online presence. Remember, a high converting landing page is not a destination, it's a journey. It's an ongoing process of testing, analyzing, and refining to ensure you're consistently delivering the best possible experience for your visitors. Embrace the power of analytics, experiment with different approaches, and never stop learning. The world of digital marketing is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and never be afraid to try new things. By committing to the principles of high converting landing page design, you'll not only see a significant improvement in your conversion rates, but also build a stronger online presence, foster deeper connections with your audience, and ultimately achieve greater success for your business. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to Codecraftcafe for more tips and insights on mastering your digital marketing strategies.